Guys, today is a video on the Optima alarm system in the garage. So there's a control panel, the wires go up to trunking to the Mac Blue and sounder, or the MD loudspeaker. One goes to the intercept, so that one. Right, them wires go up, well, the ones there as well, go down the keypad, which is there, and then, and then they go back. Right, outside we've got the, one out of two bell boxes, both of them are wired up again. That Mac Blue is seriously, and there's the box, they are seriously passive. So yeah, was a vibration sensor there, it never worked. And I've also got not sure if this was in the last video or not, but I've got a flash now. On the wall. So I've also got a Pyronix belly, which is the sounder out on the fence is a belly kind that's got a belly module. Beside the aerial there's a PL4 alarm sounder. Well, it's actually a dummy, but you can put a sounder bomb into it. Okay, so let's set it. I'll do quick set.